Howdy! It's a great day for piano. We have lesson book level 1B in Alfred, and we're going to talk about the pedal play here, page 28. Did your teacher tell you about the pedal? You keep your heel on the ground. I'm putting my heel on the ground right now, but you can't see it. And then I'm lifting up the rest of my foot, but I'm keeping my heel on the ground, okay? And that's how you push down the pedal. Your heel is on the ground, and you push it up and down and up and down, okay? Pedal is going to help the sound stay longer for you while you're not pushing down the keys. No pedal. So I'm going to push this note, and then I'm going to push the pedal down. Oh, my hands are up. I can still hear the sound. Okay? Makes nice long sounds until you lift that pedal up again. Did you hear it stop? Okay. That's what you want to do, up and down. You want to make the sound, push the pedal down. Okay? And then when this little line comes up here at the bottom, that's when it's time to take your top of your foot off the pedal, but keep your heel on the floor, okay? And then you're going to play this next note, and then you're going to push that pedal down again, okay? And then at the end of this measure here, even though there's no notes here, you need to count it, and at the end of the measure, lift up your foot. This one gets hit now. Put the pedal down. Count out the next quiet measure, but it's the sound that is carrying through. Lift up the pedal. Next measure. Push down those keys. Push down the pedal. At the end, lift up the pedal. Go back to the beginning and do it again because you've got to repeat on there. Okay? Okay, hopefully that's what your teacher told you. You need to play very slowly and listen, and why don't we get started, okay? Again, we are in 2/4 time, so that's just 2 beats to every measure, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, why don't we get started here? Looks like we're in a nice G position, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Note, pedal, note, done. Up, pedal, down, and note. With the pedal, no, pedal down, up. Okay, let's give a nice count and listen. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 1, 2, up, 1, down, 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 1, 2, up. One, two, up, down, 1, 2, up. Okay? It also makes a nice silence between those measures. Makes your listener kind of pay attention, like, oh, what's coming next? Okay? Have fun practicing that one. Build up your skills on that piano pedal. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.